Past exist with basic pronoun agreement. Exist verb and basic pronoun. We should aware about the agreement of basic pronoun and past exist verb. I was, we were, you were, he was, she was, it was, they were. We should practice these rules very much. Once again, repeat after me. I was, we were, you were, he was, she was, it was, they were. Once again, I was, we were, you were, he was, she was, it was, they were. Meaning of past exist verbs. ವಾಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ವರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಸ್ ಇದ್ದೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ, ಇದ್ದ ಆಗಿದ್ದ, ಇದ್ದಳು ಆಗಿದ್ದಳು, ಇತ್ತು ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ವರ್ ಇದ್ದೆವು ಆಗಿದ್ದೆವು, ಇದ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ, ಇದ್ದರು ಆಗಿದ್ದರು, ಇದ್ದವು ಆಗಿದ್ದವು. ಪರ್ಸಾನಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಕಲಿಬೋದು. ಹೀ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮೇಲ್ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಈ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ, ರಾಜು ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಮೈ ಫಾದರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ನೈಟ್, ಮೈ ಅಂಕಲ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ, ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್. Important thing is we have to mention the time. Yesterday, yesterday evening, yesterday night, yesterday morning, yesterday last week. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿದೋಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಸ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಮುಗಿದೋಗಿರುವಂಥ ಘಟನೆಯನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಹೀ ಅನ್ನೋದು ರಾಜು, ಮೈ ಫಾದರ್, ಮೈ ಅಂಕಲ್, ಮೈ ಬ್ರದರ್, ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲದರನ್ನು ಪರ್ಸಾನಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಶಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ, ರಾಣಿ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಮೈ ಮದರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಮೈ ಆಂಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್, ಮೈ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ, ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್. ಶಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ರಾಣಿ, ಮದರ್, ಆಂಟ್, ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ನೀವು ಶೀನು ಕೂಡ ಪರ್ಸಾನಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮೈ ಹೌಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ನೈಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್, ದ ಡಾಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್, ದ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಿಚನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್, ದ ಬುಕ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ, ದ ಬೈಕ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೈಟ್. ಹೌಸ್, ಡಾಗ್, ಕ್ಯಾಟ್, ಬುಕ್, ಬೈಕ್ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸು ಇಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ವರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ, ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್, ಪೀಪಲ್ ವರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಂಡೇ. By knowing the structure, we should practice orally. I was in the class yesterday, I was in the school yesterday, I was in the market yesterday, I was not in the school yesterday, I was not in the market yesterday, I was not in the hospital yesterday. ಈ ಪರ್ಸನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ರಾಜು ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ, ರಾಜು ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ, ರಾಜು ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ, Raju was not in the class yesterday, Raju was not in the house yesterday, Raju was not in the field yesterday, Raju was not in the shop yesterday. There was a book yesterday, there was a desk yesterday, there was no desk yesterday in that room, there was no calendar yesterday in that room, there was no milk in the dairy yesterday, there was no question, there was no current yesterday, there were no 6 chairs, there were no books, your brother was in the class, your brother was not in the class, his bag was with you yesterday, his bag was not with her yesterday, Ramesha's book was with you yesterday. Ramesh's book was not with you yesterday. ಹೀಗೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಟೈಮ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು 4 ಪರ್ಸನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದು? ಐ, ಯು, ಹಿ, ಶಿ. ಹೇಳಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರಿ. ಐ, ಯು, ಈ, ಶಿ. ಐ ವಾಸ್, ಯು ವರ್, he was, she was. I was in the class, you were in the class, he was in the class, she was in the class. I was in the class yesterday, you were in the class yesterday, he was in the class yesterday, she was in the class yesterday. ಗುಂಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಜನ ಇದ್ದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇರಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಐ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಇಮಿಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ. ಎದುರಿಗೆ ನಿಂತಿರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನಿಬ್ಬರು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಯು ವರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಬೆಟ್ಟನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಮೇಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ and also place, you may construct thousands of past exist sentences. So you should aware about pronoun and also verb. Okay, practice yourselves. ಈಗ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಜೊತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. He was a doctor last year. Raju was a teacher before 5 years. My father was a farmer 2 years back. My uncle was an engineer last year. Your brother was a student last year. Yediyurappa was chief minister 5 years back. ಈ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ರಾಜು, ಫಾದರ್, ಅಂಕಲ್, ಬ್ರದರ್, ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಶಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ರಾಣಿ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಮೈ ಮದರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ 25 years back. ಮೈ ಆ್ಯಂಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎನ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ 5 years back. ಯುವರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ರಾಣಿ, ಮದರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಟ್, ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಶೀನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Practice yourselves. I was a doctor 5 years back. I was a student last year. I was an engineer student last year. Okay. I was not a doctor. I was not a student. You were a doctor. You were a student. You were an engineer. You were a liar. You were not a doctor. You were not a student. You were not an engineer. She was a doctor. She was not a student. Raju was a student. Raju was not a doctor. Rani was a doctor. Rani was not a student. My father was a doctor. My father was a student. Boys were doctors. Boys were not students. Boys were engineers. ಹೀಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ನ ಬಳಸಿ ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ 4 ಪರ್ಸನ್ನ ಮರೆಯೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದು? ಐ, ಯು, ಈ, ಶಿ. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. You were a doctor. You were not a doctor. He was a doctor. He was not a doctor. She was a doctor. She was not a doctor. Just changing the profession. By changing the profession, you may be able to construct many sentences. Okay. Only giving answer, it is not enough to have conversation. You should have ability to ask questions. Asking question 1. By using WH words. Already you are aware about what is WH word. Okay. Shall I practice these rules? Okay. Rule 3. What was I? What were we? What were you? What was he? What was she? What was it? What were they? Once again, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಳಿ. What was I? What were we? What were you? What was he? What was she? What was it? What were they? Once again, what was I? What were we? What were you? What was he? What was she? What was it? What were they? Rule 4. ನಾಟ್ ಸೇರಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ರೂಲ್ 4ನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ವರ್ ವಿ ನಾಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ವರ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಈ ನಾಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಶಿ ನಾಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ವರ್ ದೇ ನಾಟ್? ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ವರ್ ವಿ ನಾಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ವರ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಈ ನಾಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಶಿ ನಾಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ವರ್ ದೇ ನಾಟ್? ಇವುಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದೇ ರೂಲು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ. Practice orally. Very, very important task. Where was Ravi? Where was Raju? Where was your father? Notice, you should mention past indicator. How was Ravi? How was Raju? How was your father? Why was Ravi? Why was Raju? Why was your father? Remaining ನೀವೇ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Why was Ravi not in the class? Why was Raju not in the house? Why was your father not in the work? Why was your mother not in the kitchen? How much water was in the tank? How much oil was in the tin? How much rice was in the plate? How much food was okay? How many fruits were in the tree? How many books were in the library? How many chairs were in that room? How many flowers were in that plant? Who was in the park yesterday? Who was in the house? Who was in the class? Okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವರ್ಕ್ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅವನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಕು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Who was in the park? Who was in the house? Who was in the class? Whose bag was with you? Whose bag was with him? Whose bag was with Ramesha? Whose child was in the house? Whose brother was in the house? Whose daughter was in the house? With whom was Ravi in the class? Ravi ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದ? With whom was your friend in the class yesterday? With whom was your father in the house yesterday? With whom was Rekha in the class yesterday? ಈಗ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಗಳು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಓರಲಿ. Don't take a written material, just you have to practice orally, then you are able to speak English. This is also one of the major type asking question too without WH words. We should aware about these rules. Shall we practice the rules? Ready? Rule 5. Was I, were we, were you, was he, was she, was it, were they? ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಾಸ್ ಐ, ವರ್ ವಿ, ವರ್ ಯು, ವಾಸ್ ಇ, ವಾಸ್ ಶಿ, ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್, ವರ್ ದೇ. ವಾಸ್ ಐ, ವರ್ ವಿ, ವರ್ ಯು, ವಾಸ್ ಇ, ವಾಸ್ ಶಿ, ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್, ವರ್ ದೇ. 4 ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ವಾಸ್ ಐ, ವರ್ ಯು, ವಾಸ್ ಇ, ವಾಸ್ ಶಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ರೂಲ್ 6. ವಾಸ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್, ವರ್ ವಿ ನಾಟ್, ವರ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್, ವಾಸ್ ಇ ನಾಟ್, ವಾಸ್ ಶಿ ನಾಟ್, ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್, ವರ್ ದೇ ನಾಟ್. Once again, was I not, were we not, were you not, was he not, was she not, was it not, were they not. Maton sorry. Was I not, were we not, were you not, was he not, was she not, was it not, were they not. 4 person geli. Was I not, were you not, was he not, was she not. Practice orally. Was Raju in the class yesterday? Was Raju in the school yesterday? Was Raju in the market last week? Was Raju in the hospital last month? Was Raju not in the house? Was Raju not in the field? Was Raju not in the shop? Was there book in the class? Was there desk in the room? Was there cat in the kitchen? Was there no calendar? Was there no milk? Was there no question in that lesson? Was there no current yesterday? Were there chairs? Were there books in the library last week? Were there children in the playground last week? Were there not chairs? Were there not books? Were there not children in the playground? Were there not bags in the office? Were there not windows in that room? Got it? Was your brother in the class? Was your brother in the school? Was your brother in the market? Was your brother not in the house? Was your brother not in the temple last week? Was your brother not in the function yesterday? Was your brother not in the class yesterday? Was his bag with you? Was his bag with her? Was his bag with Ramesha yesterday? Was Ramesha's bag with you? Was Ramesha's bag with her? Was Ramesha's bag with your friend yesterday? You should use past indicator, very, very important. Do you get the answer? Are you understanding? Are you getting my points? Practice, practice, practice. Only one way ಟು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರಿ ಓವರ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. 4 ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ವಾಸ್ ಐ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ವರ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ವಾಸ್ ಇ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ವಾಸ್ ಶಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ವಾಸ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್, ವರ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್, ವಾಸ್ ಇ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್, ವಾಸ್ ಶಿ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್. 4 ಪರ್ಸನ್ನ ಮರೆಯೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೀ ಬದಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕಿ, ಶಿ ಬದಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕಿ. ಈಗ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ನೋಡೋಣ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಾಸ್ ಐ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್, ವಾಸ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ 5 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ವಾಸ್ ಐ ಲಾಯರ್ 10 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ವಾಸ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ವಾಸ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ವರ್ ಯು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್, ವರ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್, ವರ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್, ವರ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ 5 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ವಾಸ್ ಈ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ವಾಸ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್, ವಾಸ್ ಈ ಲಾಯರ್ 5 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, was he not doctor, was he not student, was he not lawyer last year, was Raju doctor 5 years back, was Raju student last year, was Rani doctor, was Rani student 5 years back, was your father farmer, was your father doctor 5 years back, was your father student before 10 years. ಹೀಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 4 ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೇಳಿ. Was I doctor, were you doctor, was he doctor, was she doctor, was I not doctor, were you not doctor, was he not doctor, was she not doctor. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲ.